fuck the shit. So this is my reaction to chapter 96 of Chainsaw Man. Welcome to the channel. This is possible my first video. Uh, just let's do it. So there is a lot of chapter 96. This taste. There is a lot of guys on the floor. This colors the end. Magina is lighting a cigarette. Cough, cough, cough. This is now the second time I've defeated you, Chainsaw Man. With this, you belong to me. From now on, we will be together forever. Let's eat lots together, sleep together, and lead happy, happy lives together. That's Denji. Ooh. Denji seems to have sliced Maggie mine too. Huh? Fucking finally you let your guard down. I'll be taking Pochita back now. Mom, that was dangerous. I used up all of the blood I got from power. How? What Magina-san's been fighting this whole time was the Pochita I ripped out of my heart. I had a vague memory of being able to fight like that. Your regeneration is slow, right? That chainsaw is made with the blood I got from power. It should be messing you up from inside right now. Not like this. Well, no, I don't believe that I can kill you like this. What does that mean? Oh, Koeni? Oh, perfect timing, Sensei. Sensei's here to pick us up. Sorry, Magima-san. My back hurts. You ready? Yeah. I'm ready. I'm tired. Alright, from now on, it's all up to you. Innocent people are being sacrificed even as we speak. It would be better if you could finish this right away, but then again, it's a bodily process, so I guess you can really speed it up. I'll get it at my own pace. I'll leave you with this. I don't believe this method you're about to do will really kill Magima. You should steel yourself a failure and death. Is this a flashback? I'm the one who came up with this, yeah? I have already resolved myself and stuff. I'll drop by again if you're alive. Don't die, Denji. Of all the people I have met so far, you are the one who's most cut out for Devil Hunted. Fuck. The fuck was that? Well, I'm hungry. Even after everything that has happened, I still like Magina-san. I really do. But everyone who's died can forgive you for what you've done, and so well, I'll bear that burden with you on Magina-san's sins. This fucker still likes Magima. I don't get that. Well, how do I do that? Do I grab onto her with a bomb and do a double suicide? But from what I have heard, attacks have no effects against you. Attacks have no effect. And Orega, that's when he hit me. Magima-san and I. What? Is he eating Magima? Nah. Itadakimasu for the starter miso soup. Oh, it's pretty good. Next is a meat and vegetable stir fry. That's alright. So this is what? Is he fucking eating Magima? So this is what Magima Sans tastes like. Dude, that's fucked up. Total confusion of the control level. Next chapter is the final chapter. What? Next chapter is the final chapter with a huge center color split. So this is the end of Chainsaw Man. Like, what a good time to start a reaction series. What the fuck? Okay, I hope that wasn't that bad. This is my first time on camera, so I don't know if I'm going to. I probably will react to next chapter, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I even uploading this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.